Hello everyone, welcome to Imperium. This is the first DBMS lecture. It is the start of the database management course. I will teach you the SQL and PSQL language, also the theory of DBMS. So what is DBMS? Well, the full form is database management system, and it allows you to store, retrieve and manipulate the data which is in the database. So it is mainly used for data storing and in the backend. So now there are two options or two ways on which you can do the coding. So the first is terminal and the second is a workbench. So I prefer the workbench because it has more features than the terminal, and it is also very beginner friendly. So I'll show you how to download the MySQL Workbench. Just go on your browser, type my SQL Workbench download. So now as you can see, the link has we can see the link. So download MySQL Workbench. We It will take you to this interface. Windows x86 64-bit MSI installer. Make sure it is the MySQL Workbench community download. We'll select download. Now here we just select no thanks, it just start my download. So as you can see, the download is started, and we'll go in the folder and just double tap it. The setup wizard has opened. So we'll next, this is the location where the web workbench will be downloaded. If you want to change it, you can. And next we will select the complete options because it will install all the required features for the coding. Install. So now we will grant the access. So the download has been completed. So in the bottom left corner, as you can see, the launch MySQL Workbench. Now you have to select it and then you have to do finish. Now as you can see, the download, the workbench has opened. So these are my these are the connections I already had. So I will show how to create it. Just select the add, then you have to type connection name, then you have to keep the connection method as the default only. Then you can change the host name. If you don't change it, it's not problem. You have to change the port name, because if it's not your first time, so as you can see, I have my one connection's name is as 3306 and another one as 3308. So if I use 3306, it will connect to this connection only, and it will not create another connection. So you can just select it as 3307, and then you can change your username, it's not necessary, and store a password in the vault. After that, just leave the schema blank and just press OK. Now because I already have connection, I won't create a new one, just cancel it. Then I'll show you. Later it will ask you for your password, so just So just save it somewhere. So now this is the query tab where you can actually do the coding. If you want to create more query tabs, you can just select this, the SQL plus. You can see the create new SQL tab for executing queries. You can just use it to create as much tabs you want. You have the script file option. You can create it, so you can save it anywhere in the laptop or your PC. There are many options such as view, the query tab, so like execute all selection or the execute current statements, different options. This is the database, so the connect database, manage connections, etc. We have the server options, the tools, scripting and help. So this is one uh, advantage of Workbench uh, compared to terminal. So this is how you create or use Workbench. I will show you how to code it in the later videos, because we also have the theory part of the DBMS. So we will stop here only. Thank you.